Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this free hacked version of Pokemon Go, guys. So a few things this will allow you to do, guys. Get free Pokécoins. There's certain Pokemon that you guys can spawn, and you can change your location in the game, guys. So stick around to the end to learn how to do that, guys. But before we get into this tutorial, this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky winner. So if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Alrighty, let's get into this tutorial.
So here's how you get the app. Just go to Google and then type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. Then it'll bring you to a site that looks like this, guys. So what you want to do is just scroll down until you see the Pokemon Go ++ app, guys. So I found it right here. Just go ahead and click on that, guys. It's going to say app tweaking required, and then you're going to see an orange button that says download Pokemon Go ++, guys. So just go ahead and hit this orange button, guys. It's going to say tweaking app. So essentially all this is doing is it's preparing your phone to download the Pokemon Go ++ app. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to say preparing human verification. So what this means, guys, it's just preparing your phone to send you to a human verification test just to verify that you are a real person and not a robot, guys. So the way this works is once you complete all 4 of these simple offers, guys, you'll verify that you're human, and the Pokemon Go ++ app will be automatically downloaded to your phone, guys. All you have to do is install each app and run each app for 30 seconds, and then with surveys, you just need to answer a few simple questions, guys. So I'll go ahead and do an app real quick to show you guys. So once you click on the app, guys, it's going to send you to the App Store, and then you just need to install the app and then run it for 30 seconds, guys. And as you guys can see here, it's a legit app, 3.8 star rating with 18,000 reviews, guys. So it's a legit app. So once it's installed, just go ahead and open it, and then just tap around in here for 30 seconds, guys. You don't need to start a trial or anything. All you have to do is run it for 30 seconds, guys. And then once you have run it for 30 seconds, then you want to go back and complete the rest of your offers.
Alrighty, guys, so once you have completed that full process that I just showed you and completed the 4 simple offers, then you should have the hacked version of Pokemon Go. The Pokemon Go ++ app, guys, should be downloaded to your phone automatically. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comment section below. And if you had any problems, guys, just drop your social media down there, and I'll be sure to DM you guys and help you out with whatever problems you guys are having. Alrighty, guys, thank you all for watching. And before I go, once again, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. I really hope this tutorial helped you out.